Hey, Gary here with you. In this video, real quick, I want to dive in and actually show you how you can make money with YouTube. Check this out. This is a sales dashboard. It's for a specific marketplace. That marketplace is called Warrior Plus, but that is not important. What I need you to pay attention to is today and yesterday. From this sales dashboard, you can see that I'm actually making money with YouTube. How does that start? Honestly, it starts with a simple strategy, and that strategy starts with traffic, and that traffic is content. Content being the videos that you actually make on YouTube. Here you can see one of my YouTube channels, Publisher Report. You can see that I'm consistently making content, helpful content that helps people solve a problem that they have on a very specific topic. And yes, the solution here of how to make money on YouTube is to actually make videos and post them on YouTube. But let me break this strategy down a bit for you into what I call the top strategy, and that starts with traffic. Traffic is the content that you make. It is the videos that you'll be making here on YouTube, because the only way to make money on YouTube is to create content. Those are videos. That is traffic. Offer. Offer is the thing that you're an affiliate for. In this case, my recommendation, the best way to get started with making money on YouTube, to get up and running right now, as early as making a video, or as quick as making a video as early as today. After you finish this video, you could start making your own videos, post them on YouTube, and if you understand that you can add an affiliate link to that video, you can instantly start making money by people clicking on that link, because simply that video helps solve their problem and leads them over to an offer. Because inside of the top strategy, we're talking about creating traffic from the content on your YouTube videos over to an offer, being an affiliate. If you don't understand and know what being an affiliate or an affiliate marketer is, I have tons of videos here on the channel that explains that. I'll go ahead and I'll leave a card in this video so you can see exactly what that is. But focus with me right now, because the concept here is once people see your offer, you need to follow up with those people. That is more content on your YouTube channel. And eventually, again, I say eventually, building an email list, but don't get ahead of the process. Understand that people need to see more content. You need to create more helpful content. Just like I showed you here on Publisher Report, this is about being consistent and generating content. The content, which is simple YouTube videos. Some show my face, some don't show my face. The point of that being, just like I was talking about affiliate marketing, I cover that here on the channel, how you can do this, how I've done this with showing my face, without showing my face. All these things are possible when you actually dive in to what I call the top strategy, which is traffic, offer, people, and you build these foundational phases of a real online business utilizing YouTube, doing affiliate marketing. There's a link in the description where I break down this top strategy so you can see exactly what I do to generate what you've seen here. Again, on a sales dashboard on Warrior Plus, which is simply a marketplace where you can find products that are being sold by people, and you can become an affiliate for those products, and you can earn commissions like the ones you see here from today and from yesterday over the last 30 days and the last month. This is a simple strategy. It's a simple process, and I simply wanted to break it down for you in this video, and I hope it was informational. And if you have any questions, ask them in the comments. Also, check out the link in the description where I break down this top strategy, traffic, offer, people, and I show you exactly what I'm doing here on YouTube to make money using YouTube as an affiliate marketer. Talk to you later. Bye.